That's the same as last time or a little bit more, but you don't know. Huh?
A little bit more, yeah.
Oh, I don't feel good. I haven't gagged like that in a long time. Good. It's about what we did first time. A little more. Swallow right away. That one didn't work too well.
Jesus, Sam, you okay?
That's not so bad.
If you do it right away, it's real bad.
If you swallow it right away.
So what did you do different that time? Not that you can talk right now, but... I'm telling you, I just do some. There we go. What did you do different?
I don't think.
You start talking, it's worse, huh?
I think I breathed some of mine in too when I did it.
You want to answer your phone right now?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no. Your nose running?
Yeah.
So it's coming up your nose a little bit.